Today, A and R come together. How do we pronounce AR sound? AR make the sound R. Hello. Today we were going to learn about R sound. R sound from Group 7 Phonics sound in Jolly Phonics Paper 1. This lesson from Jolly Phonics Paper 1. So R is the last sound in Group 7. Okay, I will sharing about Jolly Phonics sound in paper 1 for day by day. Okay, so today let's learn AR sound. What is AR sound in phonics? Firstly, you need to know about vowel A sound. A make the sound ah, in, like in, and, like in apple. Okay, firstly, R make the sound like in rabbit, like in ring, or like in red. So letter R sound Okay, so today A and R come together. How do we pronounce AR sound? AR make the sound R. So A and R come together, the sound make what? R. So that is AR is R control sound. In phonics, there are 5 R control sound. I will sharing the next video. Okay, so today is R sound only. I want to share R sound only. Firstly, AR sound R. A and R make together one sound. So AR make R. AR make R. If you hear how to teach the children, if you hear R sound, you must know right AR spelling. So that is improving when we are teaching dictation time. They also know easily R sound. They must know right AR spelling. Okay, so AR make R. You make the sound, or you make 2 vowel 1 sound. This is diphthong sound. Ow. OI is the diphthong 2. Oi. UE is long vowel sound. U. ER make the R sound. Okay, that is review exercise for these sounds. Okay, so everybody know AR make R sound, so that is sk, R, scarf. Let's count the small phoneme sound in words. Sk, R. Let's pronounce together calf, because AR make the R sound. 2 vowel, 2 letters make AR, 2 letters make R sound. So sk, R, scarf. These all 3 picture have R sound. Okay, cross out the one that does not. So what is this? This is star. If you hear star has R sound, yes, I did. Okay, so we need to take this picture. What is this? This is arm. If you hear R sound in arm, yes, so we need to take this picture. What is this? It is a goat. It's a goat. Okay, so goat. If you hear goat in R sound, no, I didn't, or no, we didn't. So we need to cross out this picture. Okay, what is this? This is a car. It's a car. Yes, I can hear R sound in this word. So we need to take this one. That is R sound for paper book 1. Jolly Phonics paper 1. Thanks for watching my video. See you on next video.